Adobe Premiere Software 101, Free Software. Adobe Premiere. Adobe's Premiere Software Suite, often referred to as the Adobe Creative Cloud, encompasses a range of applications designed for various creative tasks across industries such as graphic design, video editing, web development, photography, and more. Here are some of Adobe's Premiere software applications. 1. Adobe Photoshop, a powerful raster graphics editor used for photo editing, digital painting, and graphic design. Photoshop offers a wide range of tools and features for manipulating and enhancing images. 2. Adobe Illustrator, a vector graphics editor primarily used for creating logos, illustrations, and typography. Illustrator provides precise control over shapes and paths, making it ideal for creating scalable graphics. 3. Adobe InDesign, a desktop publishing software used for designing layouts for print and digital media. InDesign is commonly used to create magazines, brochures, e-books, and other publications. 4. Adobe Premiere Pro, a professional video editing software for creating and editing videos, films, and multimedia projects. Premiere Pro offers advanced editing tools, timeline-based editing, and seamless integration with other Adobe applications. 5. Adobe After Effects, a motion graphics and visual effects software used for creating animations, compositing, and adding special effects to videos. After Effects tools and a wide range of effects and presets. 6. Adobe Dreamweaver, a web development software for designing, coding, and managing websites and web applications. Dreamweaver provides a visual interface for building websites and supports various web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 7. Adobe Audition, a digital audio workstation, DAW, software for recording, editing, mixing, and mastering audio. Audition is commonly used by audio professionals for podcast production, music production, and sound design. 8. Adobe XD, Experience Design, a user experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design software for creating prototypes, wireframes, and interactive designs. XD offers tools for designing and testing user interfaces across different devices and platforms. 9. Adobe Lightroom, a photo editing and organization software optimized for photographers and digital image processing. Lightroom provides non-destructive editing tools, batch processing, and cloud syncing capabilities. 10. Adobe Acrobat, a software suite for creating, editing, and managing PDF documents. Acrobat includes tools for creating PDFs, converting documents to PDF format, and adding annotations and comments to PDF files. These are some of Adobe's Premiere software applications commonly used by professionals and enthusiasts in the creative industry. Each application serves specific purposes and can be used individually or in combination to create a wide range of digital content.